Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make text multicolor in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet or create your new spreadsheet. You can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I make text multicolor in this sheet. At first you have to go insert menu. Then draw a text box. Now write anything on this text box. Now I make multicolor text on this text. Select this text, then go to shape format, then go to text field and click text field drop down menu. Now you can see here are gradient. Choose gradient and click these more gradients. Now click gradient fill. Now you can choose any color of gradient on this text. I using red and yellow. You can see I make text multicolor in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.